या भागामध्ये विज्ञान विषयाचा चॅप्टर नंबर 6 मेजरमेंट ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज या पाठाचा प्रश्नोत्तरी आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन 1. राईट आन्सर्स टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. खालील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये लिहा. क्वेश्चन ए. Why is the weight of the same object different on different planets? प्रत्येक घरावर एकाच वस्तूचे वजन हे वेगवेगळे का भरते? आन्सर. The weight of the same object is different on different planets because weight depends on the gravitational force of the planet and gravitational force on every planet is different, so the weight also differ from planet to planet. Question B. What precautions will you take to make accurate measurements in day-to-day affairs? आपण दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये अचूक असं मोजमाप करण्यासाठी कोणती काळजी घ्यावी? Following are the precautions. The balance should carry the stamp of standardization by the Department of Weights and Measures. Balance should be stable and the pointer of the balance should be upright. And the underside of the pan should not be tempered with any other weight or layers of other metal. And last, the weight should be made of metal. Question C. What is the difference between mass and weight? वस्तुमान व वजन यामध्ये काय फरक आहे? Mass, the amount of matter present in a substance is called mass. And weight, the gravitational force that acts on this mass is called its weight. Mass, it is a scalar quantity. Weight, it is a vector quantity. Mass remains same everywhere on the earth. Weight changes from place to place on the earth. Question 2. Who is my companion? जोडी कोणाशी जमते ते सांगा. या ठिकाणी कॉलम ए आणि कॉलम बी दिले आहेत. कॉलम ए मध्ये वेलॉसिटी, एरिया, व्हॉल्यूम, मास अँड डेन्सिटी. बी मध्ये लिटर, किलोग्रॅम, मीटर पर सेकंद, किलोग्रॅम, क्युबिक मीटर अँड स्क्वेअर मीटर. आन्सर. वेलॉसिटी मीटर पर सेकंद, एरिया स्क्वेअर मीटर, व्हॉल्यूम लिटर, मास किलोग्रॅम अँड डेन्सिटी किलोग्रॅम अँड क्युबिक मीटर. यामध्ये त्यांची एककं दिलेली आहेत. क्वेश्चन 3. एक्सप्लेन गिव्हिंग एक्झाम्पल्स. उदाहरणं देऊन स्पष्ट करा. स्केलर क्वांटिटी, अदिश राशी. A quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone is called a scalar quantity. Length, breadth, area, mass, temperature, density, time, work. In all these examples, a value with a unit is used to express quantities. Thus, we say that the length of a tunnel is 2 kilometers. Vector quantity. Answer. The quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction are both given is called a vector quantity. Displacement, velocity are vector quantities. Example, a displacement of 20 kilometers towards north. The aeroplane flying at a velocity of 500 kilometers per hour towards Mumbai is the example. Question number 4. Explain giving examples the errors that occur while making measurements. मापनात आढळणाऱ्या त्रुटी उदाहरणासहित सांगा. Not using the appropriate device at the time of measurements. मापनाच्या वेळी योग्य साधनांचा वापर न करणे. त्याची उदाहरणं. The hawkers and shopkeepers may not use standardized weight at the time of business. They may use stone pieces or some other matter. This result in accuracy of measurements. The balance may not be working properly. Sometimes while viewing petrol or diesel, the indicators on the machines may not work properly. These are the examples. Next, not using the device properly. योग्य पद्धतीने न वापर करणे, त्याची सुद्धा उदाहरणं दिली आहेत. In daily life, we come across many equipments of measurements such as weighing balance, spring balance, ruler, measuring tape, different weight of specific value, measuring vessels for milk. While weighing on balance, the jerk given causes pointer to fluctuate and give improper reading. While measuring the cloth from the bundle, the shopkeeper may not measure the cloth with accuracy. Customers should be paid keen attention to the measurements while buying things. These are the examples. Question 5. Give reasons. कारणे द्या. It is not proper to measure quantities by using body parts as units. शरीराच्या भागाचा वापर करून मोजमाप करणे योग्य नाही. कारण it is not proper to measure quantities by using body parts as units because length of the body part changes from person to person. So accurate measurements cannot be found with the body parts as unit. Question 5b. It is necessary to get the weights and measures standardized at regular intervals. ठराविक कालावधीनंतर वजन व मापे प्रमाणित करून घेणं आवश्यक असतं. Because of that accurate weight and measurement can be taken, errors will be avoided. कारण मोजमाप प्रमाणित केल्यामुळे जे अडथळे येतात, त्रुटी येतात ते येत नसतात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Explain the need for accurate measurement and the device to be used for that. अचूक मापनाची आवश्यकता आणि त्यासाठी वापरायची साधनं कोणती ते स्पष्ट करा. Measurement of substances that are precious or of great importance and used in very small quantities is done meticulously and accurately. Due to advancements in technology, devices that measure very small magnitudes of quantities like distance, mass, time and temperature are available now. Example, distance and time in connection with important sports competitions, mass of gold, body temperature, etc. Device to be used for this are thermometer, digital balance. अशा प्रकारे आपण हा 6वा चॅप्टर मेजरमेंट ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज या पाठाचा एक्झरसाइज अभ्यासला.